Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to create a highly popular doodle photo using your own pictures. We will use the ChatGPT app and one simple prompt to get this professional look. Please watch the full video for the step-by-step guide. First, open the ChatGPT app. Tap the plus icon at the bottom and select Create Image. Then, tap the plus icon again to open your gallery and upload the photo you want to use. Second, once your photo is uploaded, paste the specific prompt into the chat box. I will show you exactly where to copy this prompt later in the video. After pasting it, just press the arrow button and wait a few moments for the AI to generate your image. When the process is complete, you will see a high-quality picture with amazing doodle art on it. Simply tap on the image and save it directly to your device. You can copy the complete prompt from the video description below. Don't forget to leave your feedback or questions in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.